Have you ever wondered why cakes come out perfectly shaped, why tarts look so elegant, or how bread holds its structure after baking? It's not just about the recipe or even the baker's skill. It's also about the tools being used. In baking and pastry, pans, containers, and molds play a very important role in shaping the final product. Baking is both an art and a science, and these tools help control the shape, the size, the texture, and even the way heat is distributed while baking. Without the right pan or mold, even a perfectly prepared batter can lose its form or bake unevenly. That's why understanding these tools is essential for every baker. Let's start with some of the most common ones. Cake pans, loaf pans, and sheet pans are found in almost every bakery. Cake pans are usually round, but they can also come in different shapes depending on the design of the cake. Loaf pans are used for bread and loaf cakes, helping them rise into a structured, rectangular form. And sheet pans are very versatile. They're used for cookies, rolls, and sheet cakes because they allow even spreading and consistent baking. For smaller baked goods, bakers use muffin pans, Banneton pans, and cornstick pans. Muffin pans create evenly sized muffins and cupcakes. Banneton pans give those classic shell-shaped sponge cakes. And cornstick pans shape cornbread into small, ear-like forms. These tools help ensure every piece looks consistent and professional. In pastry work, molds are especially important for creating elegant and detailed desserts. Bombe molds are used for frozen, dome-shaped creations. Charlotte molds and rings are used for layered desserts like mousse cakes and charlottes. Chocolate molds are used for truffles and decorative chocolate pieces. And Savarin molds create ring-shaped cakes that are often soaked in syrup. These molds turn simple mixtures into refined desserts with beautiful presentation. Bread making also depends on shaping tools like Bannetons and Pullman pans. Bannetons are proofing baskets that support dough as it rises and help it keep its shape before baking. Pullman pans are used to create square loaves of bread with smooth, even sides, perfect for sandwich bread and uniform slices. For pies and tarts, bakers use pie pans and tart pans. Tart pans often have fluted edges that give pastries a decorative finish, and some come with removable bottoms for easy release after baking. These tools help achieve clean shapes and professional presentation. Modern baking also uses advanced tools like flexipans and hotel pans. Flexipans are flexible, silicone molds that come in many shapes and sizes for creative baking. Hotel pans are large, rectangular pans used in commercial kitchens for baking, storing, and serving food efficiently in large quantities. In the end, every baked product starts with the right pan or mold. These tools don't just hold the batter, they shape the outcome, control the structure, and elevate the presentation. So if you want to become a skilled baker, remember this: mastering your tools is just as important as mastering your recipes. And that's a quick look at the different pans, containers, and molds used in baking and pastry. Now you know that baking isn't just about ingredients, it's also about choosing the right tools that shape, support, and perfect every creation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, every great baker starts with the basics.